Hey guys, welcome to another technical analysis right here at the Trader's Edge. Today is Wednesday the 5th of August, so as always remember that this is general advice only, not personal advice, so do trade at your own risk. Now before we begin, just a quick run through. So today we'll be looking at the Euro, the Aussie Kiwi, the Aussie dollar, also the Pound Aussie, and the Sterling. So starting off with the euro, we do have, as I was saying yesterday, I am currently short on it from about the halfway point of that big pin bar reversal we got on Friday. Now, at this stage, I feel there's still a little bit more room to go down to the 0817 support level and possibly further with the strength of the US dollar, but however we'll see what pans out at this at the low at 0817. Now moving on to the the Aussie Kiwi, just check that. So from yesterday, I was long. I did jump on just on the 50% retracement of this pin bar, so a little bit less than that. And currently, so that was a really good trade in itself, and allowed me to book some decent profit at just below 1304. Now, at this stage, I am bearish on it. Reason being, it's been a pretty strong resistance, as we can see, and has failed over time. And at this stage, I just don't think there's enough driving forces to push it out of this range just yet. So I feel like we should see one more push lower before we see a retracement. The only thing that's kind of keeping me is this huge pin bar reversal that we've seen on a weekly chart. Now, so we'll see what happens there, but not a bad trade to jump in on and take a punt, low risk sort of thing. I know it's a big bar, but as long as you've placed your risks, your stop losses right, just above the 1304 resistance level, or even at the highs here, you should minimize your losses there. Now, with the Aussie, so as we can see with Aussie, it's been in a very range bound lately. We've had a drop here a couple of weeks ago, and now we've kind of just been stuck in a range. Now, if I pull back the chart, we can see that every time it's kind of tested this 21-day EMA, it has bounced further back, which is good. Again, with dollar strength, I am expecting it to go further south. So at this stage, I am short on it, and again, it's just with the current long-term trend of being bearish. So hence, the trend's your friend. So that's the story there. And again, stop loss is just above the yesterday's bar, and I'm looking to take profit roughly around the 72.80, give or take. Don't have my trades up just now. There we go. So about yeah here, 72.73 is where I got my stop loss at. Now, if we go to the Aussie, so the Pound Aussie, this one, like I was saying yesterday, so on the weekly chart, we were really expecting, I was looking for a reversal for quite a number of weeks now, and finally got that yesterday with this huge dip. So made some decent profit there. We did stall out just above the 21-day EMA, so I am expecting a little bit of a further rally up today, at least till the 8-day EMA, before we see further resumption of the downtrend. And again, just testing that 0981 level. So we'll see what happens there. It's still, if we're looking on the weekly chart, still oversold. On the monthly chart as well, so definitely looking for a pullback down to 0981 or even this 0272 level. So that's what's happening in the Pound Aussie. The Pound Yen, again, not a whole lot. Like the pound currencies at the moment, they are a little bit wishy-washy sideways. I am expecting to see just a bit of bearish resumption one more time before we possibly see more bullish momentum. Now to the sterling, as we can see, again it's a bit range bound at the moment, so I am still long from short from a couple of from last week, I believe. So not a whole lot going on in this trade. I'm just above break even, so only a couple of dollars here and there. Expecting to take profit somewhere close to the 54.63 support level, and then go for another, see where that takes us from there. So that's the story today on all those currencies. If you guys have any questions, feel free to post them down below. If you've got any questions on different pairs, again, post them down below. I'll try and answer them as quickly as possible. If you've got any setups, do share them with us in the community. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, click the big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, as I do bring out a new video every day, so then you'll be updated exactly when it comes out, so you can stay ahead of the market. Now that's about it from me today, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Trade safe, and